Good afternoon, traders. Hope you guys are all having a great one. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick price action review of the major indexes along with the Magnificent Seven and kind of how I'm trading the markets at the moment. If you guys appreciate this content, please like, subscribe, comment. Greatly appreciate it, but let's get into it. So, Apple, the big level I'll watch on Apple tomorrow is I'd watch ideally 183 and 180. Definitely to end the week, if we hit 180 and break below 180, things could get really ugly for Apple. If buyers want to show that they actually have control here, they have to push it and keep it above 180.17 by the end of the week. Microsoft, what we need to really watch on Microsoft is going to be that 384.30 level. You break that down, then you can get substantial downside above 410. Then you can get bullish on Microsoft. But considering what's already happened with the whole FOMC and earnings, I'd be very cautious right now, take more of a risk-off approach. NVIDIA, what I would watch on NVIDIA, the momentum is starting to shift to the seller side. What I would be interested on NVIDIA is to see if we can hold 580 and 600. Below 600, then you would get 580. Below 580, then you can get a further push down. I would just be very careful right now. Meta, the major level I'd watch is 384.33. You break and hold below that on the weekly, you could get a push back down to 353.83. To get bullish on Meta, you need to hold above 384.33 and maybe get a push above 400 in order to stay bullish on Meta. Tesla, the major level I'd watch on Tesla is going to be 194. If you want to stay bullish on Tesla, you need to hold above 194. Get bearish on Tesla, watch 180. Below 180, if we start pushing down towards 152, that's the level I'm ideally watching to get into. Google, the level I'd watch on Google is going to be 135. You get below 135, you get a further push down, maybe towards I would say the big level to watch would be 132. Below 132, you'd get 127.90. Below that, it can really start to get ugly on Google. In order to show that if bulls have control, you need to stay above 141.42. S&P, what I would watch on the S&P is 4,800. If we can remain above 4,800 this week, that will be very crucial for the bulls to stay in control. You get below 4,800, you could get a further push down to 4,700. And if you want to get some more bullish continuation, you need to clear 4,900 on the weekly. Amazon, what I'd watch on Amazon would be the 151 level and 149.26. If you stay above those two levels on the weekly, then you have a potential to get a bounce there. But if you get below there, then things can start to get ugly on Amazon. I'd watch for a move to 145 if things really start to pull back. In order to get bullish on Amazon, you need to stay above 149.26. NASDAQ, what I'd watch on the NASDAQ would be 15,000. If you're going to get bearish, it has to close below 15,000. In order to, if bulls want to show control, they need to stay above 15,000. Last level that they need to show control at is 14.5 in order to show that they actually have control. Personally, in the current positions I'm holding is absolutely nothing. In this type of environment, normal rules don't apply. I would not be holding anything, in my opinion. This is just what I'm doing. I'm not saying for what you guys should be doing. But personally, I'm holding nothing and watching the higher time frames for buying opportunities. But for now, I'm going to let everybody else panic and figure out where the market's going to go. And I'm not trying to guess the bottom. I'm just trying to guess. What I'm trying to ideally do is just let the price action tell me what to do. And the price action is telling me to stay out. But hope you have a good one, traders, and good luck out.